My battery and
Video footage. Oh,
the sleeping quarters. And that kid's up there.
oh, did I touch the ceiling?
What?
I almost
I
touched the
think you
ceiling.
did. No. You already have, so there's no turning back.
Pretty contaminated.
Yeah, you're gonna, yeah. And there we go. And here we go.
Trying to be the sleeper train. This is the ceiling that I accidentally touched. And I'm now
Infested.
contaminated forever by.
Ceiling.
There's a fan.
And that's the tour. Oh no!
Quickly dispenses bacteria.
Here's the cum bed.
Oh, let me see. Wait, I can't see.
Please pull up the backrest cum bed during 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. to avoid inconvenience to sitting passengers. And that's the window.